You are going to love the 2007 Ram Pickup 3500. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, remote keyless entry, day-night rear-view mirror, dual note horn, dual rear wheels, front stabilizer bar, halogen headlamps, speed control. Inside you'll find tinted glass. The Ram 3500 heavy-duty lineup features some of the most powerful trucks available. It comes with a lot of power, features, and capabilities. Its functional design and interior comforts make it the perfect truck for work or play. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.